I'm going to share with you something I thought when I started the curly method, and I was wrong. I thought I had to keep my hair down all the time. I don't know, I thought if I stretched it a little bit like I'm doing now, or if I ran a brush through it, it was going to interfere with the curl recovery process. I came here to tell you that that doesn't happen. Try to always tie it back when it's dry. And if one day, for example, you do the same hairstyle or whatever it is with wet hair, one day, nothing will happen. I would have loved to have someone tell me, hey, it's okay. The point is to get your hair back and feel comfortable. It is not a contest for the best styling. It's a process, and everyone goes through the process at their own pace. And well, sometimes it's going to look spectacular. Sometimes it will be more or less, and sometimes not so much. In that case, put a scarf or a beanie. There are thousands of hairstyles and accessories to make you look pretty, and above all, to make you feel good. It's completely normal that at first it doesn't sit well, and that's okay. You don't have to wear your hair down all the time. That doesn't affect your curls, don't worry.